Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are someone who is looking for an entry level job, so you are at right place. Today I am going to walk you through three amazing opportunities at Oracle, Cell and EY. Perfect for freshers and those with 0 to 2 years of experience. So let's dive right in. Come to the Oracle side. So Oracle is hiring for application support engineer, and as you can see on your screen, the JD is mentioned over here. The role name is production support, and skill sets mentioned over here are excellent communication skill with willingness to work in night shift. And they are also asking you skill sets in SQL and PLSQL experience. PLSQL is basically a procedural language SQL which was developed by Oracle. So they're expecting you to have these skill sets, and if you are the one with these skill sets, you can apply to the particular opening. Responsibilities they have not mentioned. Instead of that, they have mentioned the same requirements as you can see on the screen. So for more related to this, you can see the required skills they have mentioned the same. And if you are someone who is looking for referral, so you can just scroll below, and you can request referral from your LinkedIn connection if you connect with your LinkedIn with the Oracle career page. So that's it all about the openings at Oracle. Let's come to the other opening, which is from Cell side. So Cell is looking for a process data associate role. It's open to freshers, as you can see over here. They have mentioned it. So let's dive into it. And yeah, they have mentioned what we need from you, means basically what they are expecting from a candidate. They should have a good understanding of oil and gas related domain, and understanding of security, entailment, obligations. Also, the candidate must be flexible to work in different time zones and different, rotational shifts. They are expecting you to have good data analytics skills as well, as you can see over here. There, you must have a BI tools knowledge like Power BI or Excel or Tableau, and you are the person who is able to deliver the client requirements, and deliver the on tight deadlines, etc. Key experiences they have mentioned over here: you must be proficient in both Python and MATLAB for a data analytics role. And they have also mentioned the skill level of data BI tool like Spotfire, Power BI. They have added this as advantageous, means it's not the required thing, but if you are someone with these knowledges, then you would be preferred for this particular role. And you must have a very good communication skill in English, both oral and written, and ready to work in collaborative environment with ability to adapt to changes and all. So these all are the roles and requirements at Cell. If you think you are a perfect fit for this role, then you can just directly go to this apply now button and apply for this particular job. The location is going to be of Chennai location for this Cell. Now let's discuss the final heading, which is through EY. As you can see, the designation name is entry level data analytics role, Python focused. As the role, you can see this is going to be more into Python, and so they will expect you to have a very good knowledge in Python in data analytics related roles. So let's discuss the required skill set for this particular role that they have mentioned. So they're expecting to have very good knowledge in Python programming for data analysis, with very good experience in academic projects and internships, high valued. So they're expecting you to have internships and projects related experience. For example, if you are someone who has done machine learning related projects or data analytics related internships somewhere in college days or through offline campus, then you are a good fit for this particular role. You must have familiarity with Power BI or willingness to learn and develop skills in creating interactive dashboards and reports. So you must be, very good skill sets in creating dashboards, or you might have that willingness to learn all these related concepts. So then you are the right fit for this particular position. You must have an analytical mind with, ability to process your thought into actions, and you are the one who is proactive in problem solving, stakeholder management, very good communication skills with ability to interact with your team and develop projects in collaborative environment. So these all are the required skill set for this particular position. Let's come to the responsibility section. So as you can see on your screen, These are the your roles and duties that you would be performing at EY once you get selected for this position. So designing, implementing data analytics solutions to participate in ETL process. Basically, ETL process is ETL means is extract, transform, and load. It's a kind of data pipelining process. If you're the one who is into data engineering, you must be having these ideas like how ETL process and ELT process works. If you don't know anything about that, that's not a problem. You'll get to learn it slowly if you get into the company. And other responsibilities, as you can see, that working collaboratively with teams, continuing maintenance of data qualities. Data quality maintenance basically means that working on data and cleaning the data and doing processes on data, like for example, EDA process, etc. So these all are going to be your responsibilities working at EY. So location they are mentioned as Kochi. So if you are the one who is having the right skill sets required for this role, and if you are the one who is having interest to join a role like data analytics or data science, then this role fits you the best. So these are the three openings which we discussed just now. So, which jobs excites you the most? Do let us know in the comment section. These companies are hiring currently, so don't wait. Apply today. Links of all the jobs are given in the description. Like, share, and subscribe for more job related updates and career tips. See you in the next video.